You've learned your beautiful hip drops, and today I'm going to give you 3 more ways that you can make this move more interesting. Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome back to Belly Dancer Diaries, and if you're new here, please check out my channel. I have lots of tutorials on belly dancing workouts and inspiration as well. New videos every Tuesday, please subscribe and then you'll be notified of what is released. Okay, fun move today. If you haven't learnt your hip drops first, please do that before you begin this tutorial because you want to get your basic moves right from the outset. So once you have those, today I'm going to give you 3 different ways that you can do your hip drops. A few months ago we did 7 ways we can do our hip drops, but yes, there is more. There were some that I forgot and new ones that I've liked, so in today's video you'll get to see those. So remember, with your hip drops, we start off with our feet hip width apart, keeping our pelvis tucked in, chest up. We then move 1 foot forward. So when we move our foot forward, we're still keeping it hip width apart. Arms are nice, up and long. Pulling in through our obliques and then dropping down, always hitting that down accent. So that's our basic hip drops. Today, first move is adding a twist into it. So from here, remember our twist is bring 1 hip forward, then the other, trying to keep our chest as much to the front as we can. Oh, this is a nice shimmy scuff for this one. Bringing 1 foot in front again. For our hip drops first, we twist, we bring that hip up, we then drop. We then bring that hip up and drop. Hip up and drop, hip up and drop, hip up and drop. So you can see I'm moving side to side, forward and back, getting the accent down in the hip. Down, 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 down. A nice variation on this one is to do the same move, but to double it up. So from here, get nice and tall. We bring the hip forward, drops down, forward and down. We bring the hip to the back and down, back and down. So up the speed. This is a nice one with that 4/4 timing music as well, because you can catch the beats. It's a little bit different to our usual hip drops. It looks really beautiful. I'm enjoying our quiet music today too. I could keep dancing to this all day. Okay, but I won't put you through that. Next one is bringing a combination with the twist. So again, let's practice to the other side. Bringing 1 foot in front, keeping your posture up nice and tall. This time, we twist to the front, we drop. We twist to the corner and drop. We twist to the back corner and drop, twist to the back and drop. So forward, side, side and back, forward, side and back. With this one, when you're doing it, make sure you twist that hip all the way to the front. If you're only twisting a little bit, you're not going to get enough room to really move that hip. You want to bring that hip all the way to the front. You can see my hip is facing there, it's not facing that way, to the front, to the side, to the back corner, and to the very back. So this is 4 little ones, working with that twist. A nice variation on this as well, if you're a little bit more advanced and you're very confident at your shimmies, is to add a little shimmy on as you transition. So to add the shimmy, we keep the 4 hip drops all together, forward and back. And then to get that hip back to the front, we add a little shimmy in the knee. Yeah, so I hope you like this move. Let me know which one you've liked best so far, number 1 or number 2. Okay, next is our hip drops with a pull in. So as you know, we usually start bringing that hip up, we squeeze through here and then we drop down. But a nice variation, if you want to change up this move, is instead of pulling down, is to pull in. So when you're doing the pull in, you're squeezing all through these muscles here. You're still coming up, using your obliques through here, getting those nice rolls through the side of your stomach. And then instead of down, we're coming in. Can you see the difference? I'll show you from the side. So this is down, and this is in. So I'm really squeezing through those muscles, bringing that hip this way, And you can still see, it's got the drop, it's got the accent of the drop, but working through here. Okay, there you go. I hope you've liked these moves. Let me know which arms you like to do with them as well. I would love to hear your comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. If you are really wanting to improve your belly dancing, please check out this workout just here. Really nice 50-minute workout, but as well as that, you'll get to drill all your belly dancing moves. So if you're a beginner, it's great because it'll teach you lots of things. And if you're a more advanced dancer, you'll get to really improve your belly dancing by practicing.